In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income tax in FreshBooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your tax settings and how to set a default rate so your books stay consistent and compliant. Before we begin, have your tax rate handy. This might come from your accountant or local tax authority, and make sure you're signed in with an account that can change company settings. Start by opening your FreshBooks account in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation. Find the Settings option there, often marked with a gear icon, and click it. If you don't see settings, you may be on a limited user role or a mobile layout. Switch to a desktop browser or check with the account owner for the right permissions. Inside Settings, choose Tax and Financial Information. This is the control center for your business's financial defaults, including the tax you want FreshBooks to use by default. It's a good moment to glance at your business details here to ensure they match your registered information, since tax behavior can be tied to your business location and requirements. Now set your standard rate. Enter the percentage you want FreshBooks to apply as your default income tax. Use numbers only, no percent sign, and include decimals if needed. For example, type 10 for 10% or 7.5 for 7.5%. This standard rate acts as your baseline and helps keep your invoices and reports consistent. If your region uses a name like VAT or GST instead of income tax, the idea is the same. You're defining the percentage FreshBooks should default to when calculating taxable amounts. After entering the correct percentage, save your changes. Look for a clear Save or Save Changes button and confirm that the page indicates your settings were updated successfully. If anything looks off, you can always return to this screen and adjust the rate later. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If your business has varied tax scenarios, like different rates by location or service type, your standard rate is still useful as a fallback. You can override it on specific transactions when needed, but having a default prevents mistakes and saves time. Also, if your tax rules change mid-year, update this setting as soon as the new rate takes effect to keep future invoices and reports accurate. That's it. You accessed your FreshBooks account, opened Settings, selected Tax and Financial Information, set your standard rate, and saved your changes. With that done, your accounting workflow just got simpler and more reliable.